Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set app timer on your Samsung phone. Alright guys, first double go to your settings application on your Samsung phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the digital well-being and parental control. This one, you can tap on it, then select the app timers option right here. Tap on it, then you are going to select the application you want to set the app timer for. You can choose more than one application, but just for an example, I'm going to select one application, Instagram. Tap on the application you want to select, then after that you can click on set timer right here. Okay, and you can select the days when you want to set the timer for. You can select the days right here, and you can set the timer or the duration over here. So for example, I'm going to select 4 hours and 45 minutes. Once you're done, you can click on this done option. Okay, and now the app timers has been activated, and that's how we can set app timer on Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.